Hey class, this is Ms. Caspero. This is the second example that we have that I did not get a chance to record for you before. This is the only difference is going to be it's constructing a frequency polygon instead of a histogram. So, it says a grad student researching the effect of smoking on blood pressure collected the following readings of systolic blood pressure from 30 people within a control group. Find an appropriate class interval, then name the class limits and class marks. So there's a little bit of a difference here. They are not leading you to find each and everything down that you need to know. When they say find an appropriate class interval, what you need to do is find the range. Okay, so the largest one we've got here is, there's 205. Is there anything above 205? No. So we've got 205 minus, let's see, 110. I don't see anything lower than 110. Okay, so 205 minus 110 gives me 95. Okay, so then what we had to do was we wanted to divide it by 5 or 6 just to see what our range, our intervals would be. So if I've got 95 divided by 5, you have 5 columns, then that would be on 95 divided by 5, 19. Okay, well that's close enough to 20. So if we wanted to, we could take it to 20 as our class intervals. It's a multiple of 5. It's pretty easy to find. And we could start with the 110. That was our lowest one. 110 to 130. 130 to 150, 150 to 170, 170 to 190, and then 190 to 210. Gives us 5 intervals, which is going to be perfect for us. And let's see, from 110 to 130, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to tally just in case. Alright, and 130 to 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 150 to 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, they're pretty evenly distributed this way. Okay. And then 170 to 190. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I missed one. 5, 6. And I missed that 132 there. So I can go back up here and change that to 9. Okay. 190 to 210, and we've only got 1, 2. Okay, so 6. All right. 15 plus 13 is 28, 29, 30. 30 people. We've got the right number. So that is our frequency distribution right here. It's already written out. The class limits are the ones on the outside. 110, 130, 150, 170, and 190. And the 210. Our class marks are the halfway points. They're your midpoints. And those would be 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. The class marks are what you use, what we will be using in the next section to find our mean and our medians, and the modes you can just count up. Our mode here would be 130 to 150. The last thing is to draw a frequency polygon. You are going to use your marks. Okay. So that just means I'm jumping up to 120 here. 120. Okay. All right, so 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. And we are covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first one we've got is 126. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 140 is at 9. 7, 8, 9. 160 is at 7. So it's 1 above. 180 is at 6 again. And then 200 is at 2. So it, whoops, went away again. So up, there, down a little bit more, and then down. That's your frequency polygon, and it builds off everything we've done so far. So, see you guys soon.